Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Kotlin, Lambda functions are anonymous functions that can be treated as values. This means you can pass them as parameters to other functions, which is a powerful feature that allows for more flexible and concise code. What is a Lambda function? A Lambda function is defined using the fun keyword or simply by using curly braces. The syntax for a Lambda function looks like this. Using Lambda functions as function parameters. You can define a function that takes a Lambda as a parameter. This is often done in scenarios where you want to provide behavior that can be customized by the caller. Basic example. Let's create a simple example where we define a function that takes a Lambda as a parameter. 1. Defining the function. Here's a function called operate that takes two integers and a Lambda function as parameters. The Lambda function will define the operation to be performed on the two integers. 2. Using the function with different Lambda expressions. Now, let's use this operate function with different operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Explanation. 1. Function definition. The operate function takes three parameters, two integers a and b, and a Lambda operation that takes two integers and returns an integer. 2. Lambda usage. When calling operate, we pass the numbers and a Lambda expression that defines the operation we want to perform. This allows us to customize the behavior of operate. 3. Printing results. The results of the operations are printed to the console. More complex example. You can also define Lambda functions that take multiple parameters and return more complex types, such as lists or custom objects. 1. Function with list. Here's an example where we filter a list of integers using a Lambda function. 2. Using the filter function. You can use the filter numbers function as follows. Conclusion. Lambda functions in Kotlin provide a powerful way to create more flexible and reusable code by allowing functions to accept behavior as parameters. This can lead to cleaner and more expressive code, making your Kotlin applications easier to maintain and understand. By using the provided examples, you can now explore using Lambda functions as parameters in your Kotlin applications effectively.